Sometimes improving our trunk stability and balance is just simply adding more strength. So the next exercise that Joe is going to demonstrate, you've probably seen before, is just a plank. So you can plank either on your hands or on your elbows, depending on what feels better to you. And you're just going to hold this position with your core engaged, focusing on keeping a neutral spine. You're not going to arch your back excessively, and you're not going to round your back extra. You're going to stay right in the middle to build strength and endurance in your core.